So, good evening, everyone, and welcome to the session of Vedic Mathematics. Yes, please switch on your video so that we can interact in a better way. Let's start from the beginning. What is Vedic Mathematics? So, Ajit, you are taking classes, right? So, how do you
Yeah,
define Vedic maths? What is Vedic mathematics?
yeah. Vedic mathematics is a fast way to calculate
Okay.
given mathematical problems within
Mm-hmm.
some 16 formulas.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and it is really helpful.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Sudeep. Anyone else? See, you all are teachers or going to be a teacher of Vedic maths. So, the more you'll speak, it will be for your betterment only, right?
Yes.
Yes, Gurpreet.
The system of fast mental calculations.
Okay, system of fast mental calculation. Prakash, Karishma.
Easy way in calculating and learning maths.
Why do we need Vedic maths? We already have sufficient. See, this why this question I'm asking, because students are already having a fear of mathematics, then arithmetic, then trigonometry, then geometry, then calculus, then conics, then so many extra things. And somebody wrote me today on the Facebook also. Is it something new? I don't know. He might not be knowing about Vedic maths. So his question was genuine. So many branches we already have, so many types of maths we already have, discrete maths, though. So why is the need of Vedic mathematics? Yes. Why is it called Vedic mathematics? How did we get this maths? Anyone? Rupali?
This is come from the Vedic ages from
Okay.
of India,
Okay. Great.
and this is the fastest and ancient calculation methods
Mm-hmm.
which can help us to uh, make our future most comfortable.
I see. I totally agree to that, but I am not concerned about more of future. Present. What is our present that also affects. Today, we all are suffering from a fear of maths. Fear. It has two meanings. Forget anything and run away. And this is what people are doing. I'll give you so many examples. Students leave maths after 10th. Why?
Yes.
Because they are not able to crack that exam or they are not able doing good in maths. So parents, teachers, they force them to change the subject. And later what happens? Once they do arts or commerce and at some point of time in their age, they realize, no, I have to do a higher degree. Again, they need maths. For all such people, I have very simple question. Can we do even a single job without mathematics? Do we have
No, sir.
anything which we can do without maths? No. But
No,
there was nothing to be told. People always get confused, they leave it because right approach was missing. And what fear should have been face everything and rise above. This is what Vedic maths teaches you. Face everything.
Yes.
A very simple question comes in the interview of IS and higher ranks. How many stairs did you climb to reach the interview room? We all used to laugh. I don't know about you, but yes, we used to laugh. Now we have realized why this question. Because they were trying to understand how keen observer that person is. That is important. So Vedic maths teaches you that. Remember your days or current situation when you are going to PTM of your child. Every teacher has one complaint. Your child is not able to focus. The child is not paying attention. The child is not able to concentrate. Once teacher says this, parents also agree. Yes, my child is not able to focus, not able to concentrate, not able to pay attention. Have we ever thought how to do all these things? Or has anyone ever taught us how to increase concentration, how to focus, how to pay attention? No. See, it is not the point of concentration, focus. It is about the interest. We have not generated that interest in mathematics. Maths is always been enforcement. 40 students in one class, 30 are going with the tuition of maths with the same teacher. I hardly understand. If a child was not able to understand in the morning by the same teacher, how will that child understand in the evening? But parents have no option. They want my child should not be bullied in the class and they should get good internal marks. Not beyond that. And 10 students are failing after that also out of 30. That means 25% of the students are failing in maths every time. What is the reason behind it? Is math so tough that we should remove it from our curriculums? Or the teacher is not teaching and we should change the teacher? See, both these points cannot be done. Maths cannot be removed, that is very clear, because we cannot do anything without maths. Let it be your kitchen, let it be your driving, anything you do in the morning till evening, you use mathematics. And changing the teacher is also not the way. So what is the solution? The solution is now taken by our government of India. They have introduced in national education policy this subject. And I don't know about other states. I cannot comment, but yes, Haryana government has taken the initiative and Vedic maths has been added in curriculums of 4th and 5th standard.
Good.
So that change is coming. Why? We'll learn very shortly. So difference, when somebody asks you how maths is different from Vedic maths, because tomorrow when you'll go and counsel, first question parents ask, difference between maths and Vedic maths. So maths is enforcement. Means you are enforcing one step, one formula, one concept. Okay, can anyone tell me how many formulas do we have in maths?
In traditional, there are many formulas.
Many does not have the answer. Approximation.
If we include differentiation, integration, and all that, let me say thousands of formulas are there.
So thousands of formulas. Let's say, okay, let's come down up till 8th standard.
Up till 8th standard, say around 50 to 60.
Okay. 9th, 10th includes when you include trigonometry. So 100 plus more.
Yes.
And here, so that is enforcement. You give one concept, one formula, and we follow with that. But whereas Vedic maths is enrichment.
Yes, this
Enlightenment means that is a difference. One word, if somebody asks you, that is a difference. We'll study all this in depth today. But I want your participation. See, I'm not a politician who will be giving a lecture. So we'll be discussing so that you get the best out of it. Right. Okay. So very first thing, why it is called as Vedic mathematics? Why not some other name? So Vedic means ocean of knowledge. Second, Vedic, it is called Vedic because it has been taken from our Vedas. Do you know how many Vedas do we have?
4, sir.
4 Vedas. Anyone can name?
Rig, Sam, Yajurved, Atharvaved.
So Rig Ved, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. So this particular subject has been taken from Atharveda, the Veda which deals with science, which deals with your mathematics, which deals with medicine, which deals with sculpture, right? All the sciences which we deal today, they are all taken from our Atharveda. But yes, it's not you and me who have studied Atharveda and we have got these techniques. There is a person behind it who is called as father of Vedic mathematics. And he is none other than Swami Bharati Krishna
Krishna.
Tiraj. So he was a Shankaracharya in Govardhan Peeth. Govardhan Peeth is in Odisha, right? When where he gained this knowledge and transformed into a book called Vedic Mathematics. Though we don't have all the concepts he wrote, we have some limited because all the data was set up on fire, but we got it through some disciples who was living in UK. So that is the reason when you'll study Vedic maths, we lack in some concepts. There are one sutra where we don't have anything to talk about. But whatever we have, with that, you can do entire arithmetics, algebra, all your trigonometry. And for your information, trigonometry, entire 4 years trigonometry, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, it can be done in just 4 hours without cramming even a single formula. Your coordinate geometry, your calculus, conics, differentiation, integration, everything can be done. And with just 29 sutras and sub sutras. Correct.
Okay.
Now, we said why. What is Vedic maths is clear. Vedic maths. So, technically, if I say the definition, Vedic maths is a collection of formulas, which we call over here is sutras and sub-sutras, which makes mathematical calculations easy, simple, and faster. 3 words: simple, easy, and faster. And if we have to define in one word, it is magical. Correct.
Yes.
Now, question is beyond this. Why? Why should anyone do Vedic maths? Yes. What are your views about it? All those who are doing and all those who have interest, because they might have gone through Google, social media, they have something in their mind. So why should we do this? Why should we do Vedic mathematics?
In order to improve the calculation speed?
Okay.
Actually, as per my experience, I'm doing my career at SW, sir.
Uh-huh.
My career is going great here because of knowledge of Vedic mathematics.
Okay. So first point, what I could understand from your all is it increases speed.
Yes,
Generally, it is claimed 10 to 15 times faster.
this is.
So everybody agrees to that, right? All those who
Yes.
are fresh to Vedic maths, they might not today agree because they might be looking forward to check it. I totally understand their point of view. So all those who believe on this, I want the behind the scene. This is a statement. Some have experienced, some believe, and some are looking forward to see it. But why does speed increases? What happens that speed gets increased? Yes, Ajit. So behind the scene, I see some statements are on the board,
Yes.
everywhere available. But what is the reason that this speed increases?
Using the methods.
Okay.
Using
So
the sutra that makes it easy.
just doing it with the help of sutras will make it easy.
Practice.
Sutra is also a kind of formula. Yes, Sudeep.
Yes, it is. It can make it faster for due to the rigorous practices.
So then we could have practiced maths.
Yes.
Vedic maths is in an easy method, sir.
Okay.
Speed with accuracy, sir.
That is what I'm asking. You are saying speed with accuracy. I'm saying why does speed increases? See, your whatever you are saying that is always already a statement, and we all agree to it. Ki speed increases. My question is why does speed increases? See, you all are learning, or you all are doing whatever has been already written. What is behind the scenes? Why does this happen? Because when you are teaching to a student, some might ask, if a student asks you why does speed increase, what you will say, no, speed increases. Why? So that is my question. Yes, Prakash.
Steps are reduced.
Sorry?
Steps are reduced.
Steps are reduced. This is one good answer. This is one good answer. Because this is actually being done. What else?
Yes, sir. Yes, intermediate steps are reduced. But for that, we need much practice, and we have seen Vedic mathematics as a tool, but we have gone very deeply, very what to say, sir, very
No issues. You
gratefully.
can say in simple language. No, no, don't worry about that. Okay. Now, I'll give you four. See, there are so many reasons behind it. One, he said correct. I'll classify in some different way. Okay, let me ask you one simple question. How do you write on paper? Which direction?
Left to
Yes,
right.
yes.
Left
Left
to
to
right.
right.
Left to right. Perfect. How do you read a paper?
Left to right.
Left to
Left
right.
to right.
Now you're sitting at your place. Some might be sitting in office, home, wherever. Just see in front of you. How do you see?
Left to right.
Left to right, because every time our brain will work in that way only. Now question arises when we do everything, reading, writing, seeing, observing, left to right. So why do you do maths calculation reverse? Yes, Ajit. Why do we do maths calculation reverse?
Because that is the way it has been taught to us, sir.
So whatever has been taught to us, we do we follow that? Our parents taught us, our grandparents taught us roti chapati. From grandparents, we have come to the way of pizzas, pastas. Roti to younger kids don't eat roti today. So have you followed? Dress sense. Dressing was something different in the earlier days. Now what is there? So it's not that we follow everything. Yes, the point comes whenever it is to gain knowledge. We think, why to invest time on that? We'll get something. We want 2 minutes noodles, and knowledge needs time. Anyhow, this is one reason. In Vedic maths, you become independent of the direction. We'll do one topic today. And every time you'll see, whenever you are trying to do from left to right, your speed increases. Mental speed increases. I'll give you one example on this. How many of you have driven cycle?
All of us.
All of us.
All of us, sir.
All of
So
us.
when wind is from the front side, we take more pressure. Correct. And it slows down. But when it is from the behind, we move fast, right? Because the wind pushes us. Same is what used to happen. You are reading a question like this and you are trying to solve it mentally reverse. How is it possible? What if we do both the things in the same direction? Things will become easy. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, there are so many. You'll observe that when you are moving from left to side. I'll give you an example of multiplication. Addition also we can do.
Yes.
Where you'll see that our speed gets increased. So this is one factor. You are doing calculations independent of the direction. You can do from left to right, you can do from right to left when there is no pressure about it. Right? So direction is one important factor why your speed increases. And this you will observe. Now, what is this? Now, another reason behind it. These females might be knowing more. What happens when your maid is absent? You are able to do household job quicker or you take more time? Yes, Karishma. Gurpreet,
More
Meenakshi.
time, sir.
More time. इसका मतलब आपको काम ही नहीं आता?
No, we can do it quicker.
Yeah.
तो अब सारे फॉलो करेंगे क्विकर को. हाँ, see, when we are independently, same males के लिए भी, when we do something on our own, it is much easier because we know how to do it. Yes, if something is not of our profession, then it might not be. But when we further ask somebody to do, it will always take time. So that means independently, if you do something, it is faster. Here in Vedic maths, you are independent of paper and pen. You don't need a paper, you don't need a pen. So your brain only works. So when you are not using paper and pen, you're doing independently. That improves the speed. That enhances the speed. That increases the speed. Right? So this is your second factor. Now, very important third. I initially gave you an example of IS. So I said observation. Here, I would call it as visualization. Today also you will understand this. Tomorrow also I'll take one example where visualization will play a very important role. So first step is visualization, second is reasoning, and third is logics. Now what do I mean by all these things? See, whenever you are doing calculations, you are able to visualize with your brain. Again, step is same, independent of paper and pen. You have a reason. Here, why these two things are different? Because here you are deciding what to take, what step to be taken. And then you apply the logic. For example, now I'll just show you one thing. One topic we'll be discussing in depth tomorrow, digit sum. I'll just give you a hint. If it is 19, then also sum is 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 again goes for 1. Even if it is 29, it is 2. 2 plus 9, 11, and then 1. Now here I'm just giving a hint because we'll be going in depth. So if I'm able to visualize that there is a number 9 and we can ignore, answers are in front of you.
Yes.
What is this called as? Today, you talk to any child of class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. You give them a question as per their knowledge, as per their age, as per their syllabus. The first thing they'll be doing is search for paper and pen. They will not think from here. Maybe that question can be solved within seconds, but they'll not do. Why? They don't understand that maths can also be done mentally. A very simple and very important in this is, I have example for that. How many phone numbers do you remember today? Yes, Ajit.
Actually, of my family members and some important colleagues, let me say 10 to 15 around.
Okay, Gurpreet.
Same, sir. 10 to 15.
Prakash.
3 to 4.
So, Krishma.
Yeah, four.
Yes, Meenakshi and more. Rupali, you're not
Only
participating.
4.
3 to 4 numbers only.
Yes, we don't remember. And what when there was no mobile? There was a
We can-
landline phone.
We can remember so many numbers
Yes. So
because that's the need of time. I mean,
that was not need of time. We used to see when we are writing something and we were remembering. Now we have ignored that thing.
Yes, ignore.
Okay, why should I remember when I can save? But I'll tell you the situation. If mobile goes, battery goes off, you don't remember even your family's number because we have ignored that. Same is happening with the kids. If they don't get paper and pen, they'll not be able to answer even. A very small example, give them 100 rupees note, ask them to buy bananas worth 13 rupees. They'll not be able to calculate what return they'll be getting. Is it really difficult? I'm talking about 4th, 5th, 6th standard students. They cannot do money transactions without calculator.
True, sir. True.
Because mentally, they cannot understand mentally borrow system. And in Vedic maths, we don't have borrow. We have very simple formula. I'll teach you. Only one line and it is applicable to all money transactions of all countries around the globe. Only one simple line. Right? So visualization, reasoning and logic. Another example. Remember, two students are fighting. A teacher comes in between. What is the first step they do? They will
Separate
take
them.
them apart and they'll say, cool down. Why? Because they want that they should understand the situation. And once they understand the situation, reasoning is done. Logic's applied. Yes, yeah, it's okay. Same thing happens. Somebody is fighting with you on phone and you respond immediately. Fight will increase. But if you are silent for some time, things will improve. Vedic maths is not really teaching you mathematics. It is teaching you life. It is teaching you values. So I call it as VRL. It is life-changing process, not only maths. Maths will improve. Maths is one thing. But what others will improve is if academically you talk about every subject, because you'll understand how to recognize the things, how to visualize the things, how to apply the logics. So
Yes,
this
sir. Yes.
VRL, I'll give you very simple one. I was in Art of Living, and there, all those who know Art of Living, everybody is doing first course is called as. Chalo, let's not name. One course is there where people do it number of times, 100 times, 50 times, 60 times. And while I was in ashram, I used to observe that parents are coming. They're coming regularly, but none of them was bringing their kids along with. Never. So I asked them, I asked the head, why? They said, don't know. We have courses, but we don't have more courses for kids. So might be that is the reason. No. The reason was that at back of mind, everybody thinks that my child should do something academically first. They should study first. So I gave them the concept. Yoga heals the body. Meditation heals the soul. But to heal academic performance, Vedic mathematics is required. And that is, you understand this when you'll do maths. Right? So with VRL, your and speed get enhanced. Right? Coming to the fourth logic, fourth background reason. Now we all know that we have two brains, right brain, left brain. So what do you think? Whose left brain is active and whose right brain is active?
Left brain is for calculation, I think so.
Okay.
That is for imagination.
Uh-huh.
And for female candidate, both parts are active.
Why is it so? Brain understands who is female or male.
Maybe it is naturally, sir, actually.
Then they would have been scholars and all. Huh?
Yes, sir. Dr. Shakuntala Devi ma'am is there, a great
But yes,
example.
Dr. Shakuntala Devi is one example, but Ramanujan is also example. There are so many examples of males also. So that's not the point. That is what I wanted to understand. See what people believe, what the myth is. Those who write with left hand, their left brain is active. Those who write with right hand, their right brain is active. No. Left brain is active. Of all those students who are sitting at the back bench, still they ask why, how. There always one question is curiosity is there. Why and how? And right brain is active who are inclined towards the arts, music. But the best part is with Vedic maths, both your brains get activated. I'll give you a simple exercise. I'll
Yes,
tell
sir.
you. Today we'll be doing multiplication. You'll see you'll all become faster than the calculator. Your brain will get activated. You'll observe, you'll feel yourself. But other than that, also, we have a very simple multiplication, that is multiplication with 2. It is a brain exercise. With multiplication with you will realize yourself that your both brains start working. So when both brains get activated, your speed automatically increases. So first reason was the direction. Because in Vedic maths, we are independent of the direction, so our speed is increased. Second reason was we are independent of paper and pen. No need of paper and pen. That is the reason our speed gets increased. Third was VRL. Because of visualization, reasoning, and application of the logics. Because we apply logic just by observation. Simple example. I'll not go to addition, subtraction, multiplication. Scaring, cubing, and even scare roots, cube roots. Now you are ask. Acha, one logic. Who all teach maths?
I see.
Okay. Only Ajit, Prakash,
Yes, sir.
Meenakshi. I have one question. Please solve it. We teach multiplication in third standard, correct?
Yes.
Third, second and third. I'll say third. Now, multiplication means you are multiplying two different numbers.
Okay.
Correct. This is what I understand. A into B. But if I multiply A into A, is it not multiplication?
Yes.
Correct. We call it as scale.
Square.
So why do we take 5 years to teach squares in 8th standard? Multiplication we teach in 3rd standard. That is when we have two different numbers. When we have two same numbers that we teach in 8th standard, why do we take 5 years to teach that? What is the
Applications,
difference?
sir.
Yes, Ajit.
Applications, geometry, algebra applications has started in 8th standard.
No, scaring, I'm talking about arithmetic topic, not scare the diagrammatic, the graphical. I'm talking about scare arithmetics.
Yes.
So why do we take so much time? That, I think 8th standard, 8th chapter, it comprises of scaring, cubing, square root, cube root. A lot of
Yes, sir.
pressure for all four things together. If that syllabus would have been, along with multiplication, you are teaching scaring, finish. What is the difference?
No difference.
Then think.
Actually, I have a experience that I'm not a teacher. I'm just teaching to my son only, and I taught him the squares and cubes when he was like 6 years old. But I am not expert in maths or like Vedic maths anything. But I'm just giving him different things, and he is able to solve everything. I mean, if we took one topic and we take it up to standard 8th or ninth, and he is able to solve all these things.
Definitely, every child has that brain. That's what I'm asking. When you are teaching A into B in third standard, why A into A is taught in 8th standard, or why B into B is taught in 8th standard? That was only my question. So see how our syllabuses have been defined. Enforcement. So if you immediately ask a child, can you do scaring? A 7th standard student will always refuse. No. Because he has not heard the word. He'll say it will come in 8th.
Yes, sir.
He will never think that I have done multiplication in 3rd standard. And this is my personal experience, because whenever I go for a book fairs, I do ask students these questions. So where we are heading towards, we are just becoming cramming hands. That's all. We are cramming, nothing at all. Not more than that. Anyhow, that is not the topic. So did you understand the 4 reasons why our speed gets increased? See,
Yes, sir, we got it.
technically, yes, sir.
We got, sir. We got.
Now, these
Very
things are
clear.
not written on paper, cannot be described on paper. So that's why it is not in Google. Whatever cannot be written there, it cannot be there in Google. But this is the fact. And there are more reasons behind it. Like somebody said, shortcuts. Steps are reduced. Yes. But I didn't mention that point, because it is already given in so many pages, so many sites, so many places. Now is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
So now we were doing, the first point was why Vedic maths? Because it enhances speed. It increases speed 10 to 15 times faster. So we'll be discussing this in depth today. What next? Why should we do more? Or why students have to do this? Or see, why, you can think like this, it is why, or in the other sense, uses of Vedic mathematics. Yes. Okay, a simple question to all of you. How much time you need to write a table of 89? Prakash, Ajit, Sudeep.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Wow.
No, it takes.
Yes.
Right now, I can do it mentally, sir, because of practice. I have been teaching aptitude. Means 89 into 8. Then that time I have to multiply
It may
it
take
into 8.
12 to 15 minutes actually.
9's table, then 8's table, and we have to add the middle value. But
Correct.
that we have to
Why do you add middle value, Rupali?
I don't know the logic, but I
Yes.
saw that method.
That
and
is
I'm
a
just
problem.
doing
That is a problem. We don't know the logics. We are just cramming it. That becomes the problem. See, it's not a problem for you, but a child get confused, because the moment you will be there will be a transition from 2-digit to 3-digit, answers
Yes.
will be wrong, because then you don't have the logic. So logics are very important. We'll do it. So the second important point why to learn Vedic maths is it reduces burden of tables. Every one of us, we were punished, we were harassed, we got scolding, we got beating physical at our time because of these tables, and nobody can say no.
So
Because
that's why we need teacher like you.
because in third standard, fourth standard, we are asked to cram the tables. And I'll give you a simple way. No need to cram tables. You can write every table in 10 to 15 seconds. And even you can dodge what you call it as verbal tables also. You can do it. It's just because of Vedic mathematics. It is just because of the thought process has been changed. So this is your second advantage. Third, it reduces. Now, that was a point. Scratch work. Means there is no rough work required. Scratch work and finger counting. Finger counting, why I'm mentioning here? Because of abacus tool. We'll discuss this in detail. And the PTM problem, concentration, focus. So it enhances, it helps in increasing concentration. Reason also you'll be understanding when we'll practice some topics. Fifth, last, not the least, because there are more. It reduces silly mistakes. But I'll tell you what is silly mistakes. See, your child is doing perfect. Still, two silly mistakes they do. One is when there is a carryover, they forget. Because in multiplication, there are multiple carryovers in every step. If it is a 3-digit into 3-digit multiplication, you have 3 times carryover coming. You get confused. If it is addition, then also number of times two carryovers come. You get confused. So that is called as silly mistake. And another silly mistake is in subtraction. You borrow. Now, till date, we are not able to understand. I'll give you a very simple example. 100 minus 13. Now, we say we borrowed 1. It became 10. Okay. Then again borrowed. This became 10. This remained. This became 9. This is what becomes difficult to understand mentally. And here Vedic maths will give you one simple line. All from 9.
Last from 10.
Last from 10. And this is applicable on all money transactions of all the countries of the world. Just one line. And verbally you can do it. So these are the two silly mistakes. Multiple carryovers and borrow. So these are reduced because we don't have borrow system, and the multiple carryovers reduced to some carryovers or single carryover, which can be taken easily or solved easily. Right? So I gave you 2 things. One is 5 points I have discussed on uses or why Vedic maths. First is it helps to solve mathematical calculations 10 to 15 times faster. I gave you 4 reasons behind that. Second, it reduces the burden because we don't have to cram tables. Only if I know tables up till 9, that's sufficient. Third, it reduces scratch work. No rough work is required, no or less, because steps are reduced, as well as finger counting is prohibited or removed. And fourth, it increases concentration. Now, concentration, why does concentration increases? Let's think in another way. Why do they don't need concentration in games? Because they find that interesting. It is as per their interest. So what if education or maths become interesting for them? That is what you need to work on. And Vedic maths supports you in that.
True, sir.
Got it? And the last, it reduces silly mistakes. So silly mistakes, I have told you, is there are two kinds of silly mistakes. That is multiple carryover and borrow. So borrow is no more in Vedic maths. There is in subtraction, we don't have borrow. And multiple carryovers are reduced. You will see today with one topic I'm going to start, because that topic might be you might have seen, but again, you don't know why it is happening. So I'll tell you why. Before that, I'll have one question. Place values.
Okay.
So we call it as ones or unit, tens, 100, right? This is how place value. So my question is, how many digits come under unit place?
1.
1.
How many digits under tens position?
99.
99 कैसे आ
Digits.
गए? Digits पूछा मैंने.
2
Oh.
digits.
1 1.
Yes, Karishma? 1 or 2?
1.
1.
1, sir. Under tens, it is 1.
And what about 100? Yes,
One.
Rupali?
1.
So it is 111 or 123?
1, 1, 1.
1, 2, 3, sir.
It's a
3,
2
2.
digit, but if it is at tens place, means we ultimately multiplied it with 10.
I'm not asking that points. I'm asking very simple question. How many digits under unit? How many digits under tens? How many digits under a position 100? So
1
Ajit,
1 1, sir.
Means unit digit 1, tens place at 10. It's
see
2.
how this is what every student answers, because we have made them cram unit ones, tens, 200, 3,000. Just understand one simple logic. Or when you have to teach it to the kids, ask very simple question. How many students in your class? They'll say 40. How many chairs required? 40. Can two people sit on one chair? No. Similarly, there cannot be two digits, Ajit, for you.
Okay.
78 is the
Okay.
question.
Okay.
What is this? This position.
This
How many
is 10.
digits are 7?
Tens.
This is
How
10
many
place
digits
and
are
it
7?
contains
It is a single digit.
single digit.
See, who is asking you face value, place value? There is nothing. Now, this is the problem. What should have been taught? Our exercises are based on face value. What role does that play? And if you understand this simple concept, 111, your addition, your subtraction, your multiplication, your division, your squaring, your cubing, your square root, cube root, plus entire multiplication tables can be done with this single concept.
Okay, sir.
All place values, all these arithmetics and multiplication tables, that can be done with just place value. Nothing more is required.
Okay.
But we have crammed in the wrong way. That is where we lack. Clear? So today, first we'll be using this for multiplication tables. Oh, sorry. Multiplication tables कल करेंगे. पहले दूसरा कर लेते हैं. Both can be done. No, not an issue. Now, so the first topic I'll take is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So what are multiples of 11?
Means
22,
the number
32.
comes in 11
111.
33, 44.
The number which is divisible by 11.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who gave this answer?
1
Rupali.
4 times 1.
Rupali.
हाँ.
रूपाली, इसको आप सीधा भी तो बोल सकते थे. All the numbers multiplied with 11.
Yeah,
Or
yeah, yeah. Means the
multiples of
number
11.
which comes in 11's table or the number which
Correct.
is divisible by 11.
See, we have to make it more simpler. Right? So table of 11, every student knows. See, please, you are not wrong. I'm not saying you are wrong. But one word is appropriate. In the last, I'll give you a test on this topic. There would be two answers would be same. मतलब two methods would be same, but I'll ask you which is more appropriate. Got it? कान ऐसे भी पकड़ा जा सकता है, ऐसे भी पकड़ा जा सकता है. तो हम division बोलेंगे. Students find division difficult, but multiplication they find more easy. Anyhow, so multiplication with 11 means, multiples of 11 means whatever comes in the table of 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 99, and so on. Now, first I'll tell you, I told just now कि everything can be, done with the place values only. I'll prove that also, and then I'll take Vedic Maths way also. Now, why I choose 11? Why not I took any other number? Because you need to learn certain things from here. Whatever we discuss in theory part, we need to prove over here. Please understand one simple logic. Cramming Vedic Maths is easy, but then it will not yield the results because you'll forget. Whatever has been crammed, you will forget. So if you understand the concept, you'll never forget. Now,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
taking 11 because it is the magical number. Why magical number? You multiply with any digit, the digit gets repeated. You multiply by 4, 44. You multiply by 3, 33. You multiply
33.
with 9, 99. Now you'll say, sir, but if I multiply with 10, it is not 10, 10. It is. See, here you need to understand. If you multiply by 10, it is 10 and 10 only. But then the logic is,
1
you cannot have two digits at unit place. So that digit shifts and it becomes 110. Any big number. Okay. Can you give me the answer? What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? In 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3,
1, 3,
4,
5, 7, 9,
5,
5.
4.
1, 2,
1,
3, 4,
1, 3, 5,
6,
7, 9, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5.
No,
One,
wrong.
No, sir. 1,
1, 3, 5,
795.
7, 9, 5.
9,
Now see,
5.
we'll learn this. We'll do this. We'll multiply 40 numbers also. Right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, wrong.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2,
No,
3, 4.
no. It is 1,
5,
3,
6.
5, 7, 9, 5.
7, 9, 5.
You will all be able to do it. That's not a big thing. This is the simplest and most simplest topic. Don't worry. But first, I am teaching you. Just see, whatever statement I am giving, I'm proving that first. This is one digit. 11 is there. What I said, whatever you multiply with 11, that is written on both the places. Correct. Now, can you have 5 digits at unit place? No, only 5 will remain. 1, 2, 3, 4 gets shifted. So if you see this, it becomes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Oh.
This is, so entire multiplication, just think over it. 2 digit into 2 digit. 26 into 25. There are so many ways. But if you understand, 25 into 2, 50. 25 into 6, 150. Can I have those two? No. Shift 15 here.
5150.
No.
650.
650.
Oh, 650.
50 plus 15.
50 plus.
Though we don't use this concept. See, though you will never use these concepts. But when we talk about something, we should be able to do that. That was my point. We'll do in a much simpler way. So coming back to the first question, what is 11 into 12 and how will you do?
132.
Yes, Ajit. How do you teach?
Yes, sir.
How do you teach?
First, I will append the zeros at the end, at the left hand side 0 and right hand
What do you
side
call
0.
that method?
That's your method, sir. Vedic mathematics method. Simply add the previous method.
Okay, leave it. See, I'll tell you that method is called as Supantya, Dvaya,
Yes.
Mantya. नहीं याद होगा छोड़ दो. Also called as, in English, it is called as sandwich method.
Yes, sir.
Why are you
Sandwich
putting 0? उसका reason अगर पूछूं मैं,
Yes, sir. Base is 10. So I will put 1 zeros. As there are 3 1s, I will append 2 zeros at the both ends.
Okay,
Yeah.
done. So this technique was written for 12. That was the reason
Yeah.
it is called as Supantya Dvaya Mantya, means initial and twice, what you call
We understand, sir. Yes, sir.
permanent, word is skipping. So here we'll not do that, because the way you said, students will not be able to do mentally. That is paperwork. See, whenever you have 11, any 2-digit number is there. Remember,
Yes.
first digit as it is,
Okay.
second digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. So what is 1 plus 2?
132.
3. More examples. 23 into 11. I'm talking about 11, so I'm not writing second number. 2. What is 2 plus 3? 5.
253.
253.
Got it. Let's say 35. So 3, 8, 5.
385.
385.
44. 4, 8, 4.
4.
Is it clear up till here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do some more. What is 35 into 11?
385.
Just now I did.
385.
Everybody is still taking time.
3.
Just now I did.
385.
Okay. What is 52 into 11?
572.
572.
572. Okay. What is 71 into 11?
781.
781.
781. What is 80 into 11?
880.
880.
880.
Okay. What is 63 into 11?
693.
693.
93.
Okay. What is 27 into 11?
292. 297.
297.
297.
And 72 into 11?
792.
792.
Okay. What is 36 into 11?
396.
396.
What is 37 into 11?
3.
407.
407.
407.
407.
407.
Now, here you have to apply visualization, reasoning, and logic. Now, understand one thing. 3, 6. What I told you, first digit as it is, then add the digits, then write the text. So 3 steps I said. Correct. I'll make it more so that you never get confused in life. I'll put some lines, back lines. I call it as balancing line.
Partition.
Partition, I call it balancing line, because they balance you. They balance the calculation. So place values में ही आपने balancing line लगा लिया, so that you are never wrong. Now in 36, unit place 1 digit, tens place 1 digit, so this answer was correct. What happened in 37? It was 3, 10,
10.
and
6.
7.
7.
I'm talking about 37, right?
That's it.
Now this is correct, but can we have 2 digits at tens position?
No.
No.
No. So only 0 will remain and the extra digit will pass on.
Yes.
So
4.
4,
407.
0,
07.
7. But again, I don't have to do it on paper and pen. So how to do it?
Mentally.
How to do it mentally? Now, always observe first. Is the addition less than 10 or more than, oh, okay. Is the addition single digit or double digit? Here it was single digit. That means
Single
it will
digit.
not impact anything. Here it was having a carryover. 10 means carryover. So automatically add 1 to first number, 4. Whenever carryover is coming from back, see now your both the brains have to work. You are supposed to write 3 because first digit as it is, last digit as it is, I told. But no, I'm getting a carryover, so I changed it to 4. Correct. What is left? 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 is already gone, so 0 and 7. So this way you have to understand, train your brain mentally. First observe the numbers. Then if carryover is there, automatically add prior. So what is happening? Both your brains are working. One is doing the calculation and second is observing what is coming next. And abhi aap dekhoge within next 10 minutes you'll be faster. 88. What is the answer?
968.
Now it will be 9. 8 plus 8 is 6 and 8. Finish. Otherwise, if you're not able to understand 8, 16, 8, then also this is this.
Correct.
But try to do mentally. 2 digit, 3 digit, do it mentally. 95, 59.
6,
6 1
4,
1
9.
6 4 9.
6, 4, 9.
6 4 9.
6, 4, 9. 73.
803.
803.
0, 3.
76.
8,
836.
7.
836.
6. 7. How? Last is 6. So it cannot, last digit cannot change. Why it will not change? Because you are multiplying with 1. So how can it change? 87.
9,
957.
957. And what about 78?
7, 8,
858.
Yes, Rupali, are you getting? Meenakshi?
8, 5, 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
getting it.
Madhulika. Sorry, I could not.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
Which
Yeah.
questions you have? Because you are not participating. So if you have any
No.
question, you can ask, please.
8, 5, 8.
Mm.
Okay. 79.
8,
869.
869.
869. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you are just think 10 minutes before, if I would have given you this question, would you have been able to solve mentally?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Because we never thought about it. You would have done, maximum people would have done 790 plus 79. Again, confusion. Because you cannot add and find on paper you can, some of you are brilliant. You could have done this way. But again, mentally it was difficult because taking carryover, where it will go, we don't understand because we have never been taught this way. Or then best was paperwork. Why to think? Everybody thinks simply do it this way. And this is also this only. Nothing different. 79 plus 790 to kar rahe ho wahan bhi.
Yes.
Yes.
See, so what we have changed? See, what is Vedic maths? Vedic maths is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. First thing. Second, it gives you the feeling of, yes, I can. Once you have that feeling, nothing is difficult. And the third, you get ability to think in a different way. See, now you'll start thinking also. Today, when you'll practice this 11, you'll start thinking about other calculations. Can we do this? Can we do that? And that is where your real journey starts. That only you have to do. Nobody can teach you every topic, every concept. When you start doing it yourself, things will become easier for you. Right? Okay. Now, what is the largest two-digit number?
99.
99.
So what is 99 into 11?
9, 10, 0, 9.
1089.
Yeah.
1089.
If you have already said 10, then 0 is not, 10 is already having 0. So 1089. Why? 9 will give you, see, understanding, 9 will give you 10. What is left? 8. What is last? 9. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, no issues. So any doubt in 2-digit numbers?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, let's move to 3-digit number 123. Now into 11. So again,
1,350.
1
first
plus
digit.
3 plus 5, 3.
So first is 1
3,
as it is.
1,353.
1, 3, 5, 3.
Got it.
Hmm.
1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 as it is. So there, when we do it AB into 11, it was A plus B. See, I am using balancing line,
B.
right? B. Now it is A, B, C into 11. So that is A, then A plus B, then
plus
B plus C,
C.
B. C.
and C. Clear? So we are shifting. Okay. 2, 3, 6. Yes, give me the answer verbally.
2 plus 2, 5,
5,
9, 6.
6.
96. 2596.
2, 5, 9, 6.
96.
Okay. Good. 6, 3, 5.
6, 9, 8,
8,
5.
9, 8, 5.
6985.
6985.
6985.
6,985.
Just think over it. You are calculating faster than the calculator. Because even if you do with calculator, you have to press 7 digits. 6, 3, 5, then multiplication, then 2 digits, then is equal to, then only you are getting answer. But here you are able to do it mentally because you got the way to do it. Approach depends. So things are not difficult. Math is treated difficult because we are enforcing them. वही एक method रटाते हैं. Do this way. Sometimes, see, my 10 fingers are not same. So how can you expect 10 different minds to be same? And that is the problem of a child. Now I'm just changing something. 8, 3, 4. So now understand, this is giving me a carryover. So 9, 1, 7, 4. Did you understand this? Yes.
9 on
Plus
7.
11 for first and second.
See, 8 as it is, 11, 7, 4. So this 11 has to be shifted. 1 has to be shifted. Or
9 on 7.
if I observe this, I have a carryover coming. So I automatically increase like we did in 2-digit. So 9, what is left? 1. What is next? 7. What is last? 4. Now same thing I changed. 8, 3, 7. Now answer will be again different. Why? 8 becomes 9. But here
9,
11,
1,
again 1 is coming. 2, 0,
0.
7. Got it? Yes. Did you understand these two questions? Because this is going to change everything now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It is clear, but what if there are two multiplicand?
Means, for example,
Let me say 13 into 14 into 11. So that time,
we will work on that. I'll show you.
but it will work there, sir. No?
Everywhere.
It was the, yes. Okay.
Now, see, you are asking this question because multiplication has been covered. This is the base, first step. So step by step, we'll be understanding. One way is what I taught you. If you don't remember anything, don't know anything, go with place value. Just like
Okay.
we did 26 into 25. So 25 into 2, 50, 26 into 5, into 25. That is also calculation. But just understand, did we use this place value ever like this?
No, sir. Great, sir.
No, sir. No.
So that is, If just understand, if you teach this place value correctly, 1, 1, 1, and teach entire arithmetic with this only, what is going to harm?
Yes.
Tuitions बंद हो जाएंगी और तो कुछ नहीं. I sorry अगर maths teachers हों. Generally, I was sitting with someone principal in Hyderabad 5 days back. Same question I asked. Your reputation is going down. Parents are saying you take tuitions also. Our students have to take tuitions. Why they are not teaching in class? It's not they are not teaching. They are teaching, but they are enforcing. चलो मैथ्स की बुराई नहीं करनी. मैथ्स बहुत अच्छी चीज है. But Vedic maths is better. So I'll appreciate that. Okay. 6, 7, 8. Do it. Think mentally. It will be done. So 7, 4, 5, 8. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, think.
Mm.
Think, Meenakshi,
7.
Rupali.
Yeah, 7, 4, 5. Yeah.
See,
Yes,
you
sir.
have
7,
to
4,
7458.
see, you have to put pressure on your brains. और कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इससे. मैंने कहा ना, you'll be feeling better after this. After the class, you'll feel, wow, I could have done it. Why didn't I do it earlier? It was simple. So that feeling should come in. 8, 7, 6. उल्टा कर दिया.
Still I am calculating from means left to right.
Right to left.
Right to left.
आप समझ नहीं रहे थे. मैंने क्या कहा? फर्स्ट डिजिट 6 है. I have to write 6. Correct. But what I am observing कि these two digits are giving me a carryover. So I
Carryover.
increased 7. Now what is left? 6 and 7 में 3. But again one more carryover is coming. So I wrote 4. What is 7 and 8? 5. And the last digit. Otherwise, you can go by this 6. What is 6 plus 7? 13. What is 7 plus 8? 15. What is last? 8. Now balance it. 8.
7, 3, 7,
This
4,
goes
8,
here.
5, 8.
So 4, sorry. 8,
8, 5.
5, 4, 7.
4, 7.
7.
But I would say think this way mentally, because you'll understand when we'll do tables also, then also you'll be finding that very easy.
Mm.
That was the reason I asked you a question. When we do everything with from left to right, why not maths? See, we never thought about it. This is the only answer. It's not we have been taught. ठीक है.
sir. 8, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 9, 6, 3, 6. And so.
Correct. Okay. 8, 9, 8. What is the answer?
9,
9,
9,
8, 7.
8.
9, 7, 7,
नहीं जी.
8.
9,
9,
8, 7,
7,
8.
7, 8.
9,
9,
8,
8,
7, 8.
9, 8, 7,
9, 8,
8.
7, 8.
987.
Okay. So last. What is the largest three-digit number? 999.
999.
What is 999 into 11? Fast.
I 999.
1, 0, 8,
9, 8, 9.
9,
1, 0, 9, 8, 9.
10989.
So see, फिर again understand. 1, 0. 9 plus 9, 8 देता है, but एक carry over आ रहा है, तो 9, 8, 9.
Yeah.
See, first you need to understand how many steps are going. And you are covering each and digits. अगर फिर भी थोड़ा टफ लग रहा है, तो go ahead with this today. Balancing line.
better.
Sorry.
It becomes easier, faster,
See,
rather imagining.
देखो, इमेजिनिंग हर
Right.
पर्सन नहीं कर पाता ना. फर्स्ट डे है.
इसलिए
बस
वो
आप-
ठीक है. एक स्टेप ऐड किया तो इजी हो जाता है.
हाँ. तो क्या होता है कि फिर वही बात है कि हम अपने ही डर से जी रहे हैं. See, maths is nothing but fear factor. We don't try even because we have that phobia ki no. So what I say, maths is always taken as a fear factor, as a havoc, as a stress, and this has been induced in our minds. वो निकलना जरूरी है ना. जिस दिन वो निकल गया, you'll find it interesting. Okay. Again, 4-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5.
So, this was the first question I asked. That time you were not able to give. Now, yes, everybody did. I just
Yes.
I just
Yes,
Yes, sir.
skipped. I
Yes.
just skipped 4-digit numbers. Directly went to 5-digit numbers because
That's
I know you
right,
can do it.
795.
So 1, 3, 5, 7,
5,
9.
7,
5.
9, 5.
So this was a simple number, but same kind. Yes, you might find today difficult because some carryovers. So then balancing line is the result, and balancing line also is faster. But
Yes.
if there are no carryovers, you should always try to do mentally first. And for 2-digit, 3-digit number, try mentally. Try mentally for 1 day. Then 4-digit, take 2 days. Then 5-digit, take 3 days. Finish. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Try.
So,
Think.
Julie?
963194.
194. Yeah.
963194.
Yes, Karishma. No answer from your side.
Sir,
yes,
little slow.
9.
Why you are
4.
little slow? Who told you you are little slow? Why do you pre-assume everything? सारे आपके साथ ही कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ. So why do you
Sorry.
pre-assume? Try.
964194 होगा सर.
See, आपको ट्राई करना है, ये सोचना ही नहीं कि यू आर स्लो. थिंक. शीशे के आगे खड़े होके को आई कैन डू इट. मैं कल एक टॉपिक दूंगा. आई शो यू. सो
964 only आती है ना.
964194.
964194.
हाँ.
Am I right?
एक भूल गए आप. 6 + 5 11.
इसी लो
964194.
9
9.
कर लेते हैं. ये देखो
Correct.
यहाँ 5 है, एक आ रहा है तो 6. 7 और 6 3 है तो 4. 6 और 5 11 है तो
1.
1. 5 और 4 का कैरी हुआ आ नहीं रहा ना. 9 हो.
94. Yes.
तो थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व करते चलो.
Yes.
यू विल बी एबल टू डू. एक और दिखाता हूं मैजिक. ऐसा नहीं है 40 नंबर्स भी ले लो आप. अभी मैं बिना कैरी ओवर के दे रहा हूं ताकि see once you should have a habit of once understanding is developed, then कितना बड़ा भी नंबर आ जाए. लो. इज इट डिफिकल्ट? नो. बट कैरी ओवर के साथ आपकी शकुंतला
थोड़ा-
देवी ने किया हुआ है. सो सी बिकॉज शी डिड इट फॉर लाइफ लॉन्ग. आप अभी तो आपको 1 घंटा भी नहीं हुआ. वी जस्ट स्टार्टेड 30 minutes before. So what is there? 1, 3, 6. But focus करेंगे ना आप. When you'll start focusing, mentally कैसे होगा? When you'll start focusing. और focus करेंगे तो concentration अपने आप बढ़ेगी ना. So that is the reason when we say how does concentration increase? Because you visualize the number. Visualize कैसे होगा? When you are focusing on something. देख के उसको observe कर रहे हैं. So these are the practical aspects जो आप with experience सीख जाओगे. Right?
True, sir. True.
Now, any doubt, any questions anyone has?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, if you don't have, let me ask question. Now, The question is, what did you observe in this methodology, in this system? Observation. Everyone. Yes, Ajit.
We are adding
It
next
is only
number.
addition.
Okay, let me break up. The topic was multiplication with 11 and its multiples.
Multiplication.
So did we do multiplication anywhere?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So
Addition
that
is there.
means topic was wrong.
No.
No,
No.
sir. It's a different way to do.
So what we were doing, if the topic was multiplication, we were not doing multiplication. So what we were doing?
Easy
Adding.
method of
Addition.
multiplication.
Addition.
Can we say simple addition?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
We are means
No.
in school we learned that multiplication is the repeated addition.
Yes, I'm
But it's
giving you
not-
example. I'm giving you example. 2 into 3 is 6. This is the first question when taught. Nobody
Yes,
understand
yes.
what is this cross. Because till that time, students know only addition. So teacher says when you add 2 3 times, it becomes 6. Or you add 3 2 times, it becomes 6.
Hmm.
And then a
Yes.
definition is generated. Multiplication is rapid addition. Correct.
Yes.
Now question arises. Some of you said we did multiplication, addition. So my question was 11 into 12 is equal to 132. So I added 11 12 times now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Where did I add? When did I add? Or I added 12 11 times.
Fine.
You have
Lengthy way.
11 times.
No. It
you
was
have
not
added place value.
it was not addition, simple addition. It was adding
Place value.
corresponding digits, or you call it as neighboring digits. See, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Did I add 1 and 5?
Mhm.
Did I
No.
add 1 and 3? Did I add 3 and 5? No. We were adding 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5. That means we were adding corresponding digits, not everything.
Yes. Consecutive numbers.
Consecutive, corresponding, neighboring. Words can be anything. So this is what is, you cannot say simply adding. Simply adding तो कर ही नहीं सकते. फिर तो हो गया काम. 11 into 12, 11 को 12 times add ही करते रह जाएंगे. That is what you need to understand. Okay. What second thing did you observe? Very important.
Easy way.
This is
Whenever
this is a
whenever
conclusion.
whenever result is 2 digit, we have carried higher place to next.
We
Higher digit
adding
to next
by
place.
visualizing the number itself. I mean, not writing.
Okay, I'll give you a hint what I am expecting. We did it for the first time in our life.
It reduces the burden, sir.
अच्छा, burden आज तक reduce. लाइन उठा रहे हो? मैं ऑब्जर्वेशन की बात कर रहा हूं करिश्मा. ऑब्जर्वेशन मींस इसमें ऑब्जर्व क्या किया, नॉट कंक्लूजन.
So यहाँ पे बेस 2 डिजिट आया, मतलब
मतलब
2
हर
नंबर
डिजिट के
आए
अलग
तो
अलग
एक
कहानी
नंबर.
बनाएंगे. मैंने वो हिंट भी दे दिया. डिड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन लाइफ.
Easy way of multiplication.
वाओ. यस प्रकाश. मीनाक्षी, रूपाली, मधुलिका, सुदीप,
Yes.
करिश्मा. अरे मीनाक्षी और रूपाली तो वीडियो ऑफ करके मेरे ख्याल सो गए.
It's the simplest way, sir, and
You are
reducing
giving
our.
me the conclusion. मैंने आपकी स्टेटमेंट नहीं मांगी, मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन मांगी है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस.
जी.
प्रोसेस का ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या सर, मतलब 11 का प्रोसेस का
क्या
ऑब्जर्वेशन.
यार, आपसे भी उम्मीद नहीं थी. लेफ्ट टू राइट आज तक की थी मैथ्स.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
Okay.
वो तो
ये
है.
बड़ा सिंपल एग्जांपल है. 1 2 3 4 5. ये मेंटली आप इधर से कर पाए, करके दिखाइए आप मेंटली. पेपर पे यू
Mentally
माइट
like to
बी
write.
फास्टर. Paper पे you might be faster from right to left. But
That's why you need teacher training, sir, from you.
so that is a difference. Got it? और हम whenever we discuss maths तो we start saying unit place, tens place. आपको अपने ब्रेन पे भरोसा ही नहीं है. अब आप देखो ब्रेन ने आपका करा नहीं करा कैलकुलेशन. आपने 5 डिजिट में भी सोचा कि नहीं सोचा कि अगला डिजिट ये आ रहा है. ठीक है, 1-2 सेकंड एक्स्ट्रा ले रहे हो, सो व्हाट. पेपर से तो इज फास्ट कर रहे हो, कैलकुलेटर से तो फास्ट कर रहे हो, 2 सेकंड एक्स्ट्रा ले भी लिए तो क्या हो गया, दिमाग तो यूज कर रहे हैं ना. आपने ये बड़ा नंबर अभी किया ना 87654. जस्ट थिंक हाफ एन आवर और 1 hour बिफोर. कैन यू थिंक इवन इमेजिन इवन कि कैन आई डू इट?
No, sir.
दैट इज द पॉइंट. सी जस्ट चेंज द वे यू थिंक, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ओके, तो एनी क्वेश्चंस फर्दर इस टॉपिक पे?
No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
I'll take test, so don't say this thing.
no, sir, it's clear.
Okay, then the first question of the test is 141 into 22. Give me the answer.
1551 into 2.
282. That is
282 multiplied by 11.
But sir,
3
we learned with
3102.
11.
3102.
0 1 1 1 1.
300 and
No, 11 22 you have to make it 11, so double this, so 282 into 11.
So what is the answer?
3
300 and
0.
3102.
0102, but
3 0
Okay,
9
now I'll tell you.
3091.
See, very first thing, if you are able to observe this. Now, see, you said, do you know, you were all very shocked when I was teaching you VRL. अरे, how will we use, sir, बोल रहे हैं ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं, इनका क्या? Now understand the thing. If you consider 22 as a simple number, there is no option with you left, you'll do this. Finish. But if you are able to understand this visualization, कि 22 is a multiple of 11. See, that is what you need to learn in Vedic maths. Observation plays an important role. So what is 22? 22 is nothing but
11 into 2.
2 into 11. So 282 into 11. Just now we did 3102. But no. Ajit is sitting back. He says no. 141 into 11 into 2. 1551 into 2. 3102. Now, both of you have the same answers. But again, I told you I'll ask you which is more appropriate.
First one.
Yes, Ajit.
First left side.
लेफ्ट राइट नहीं पता, आपकी लेफ्ट मेरी लेफ्ट, वो कंफ्यूजन है.
मेरी
side.
left.
Red color.
Red color.
तो बट आंसर तो अजीत आप ग्रीन वाला दे रहे थे.
तो आंसर तो सर और भी मेथड्स है उसके लिए आने के लिए.
या देखो मेथड्स बहुत हो जाएंगे. यहां पर क्या है, हमने जस्ट अभी लर्न किया 11. सी, अ टीचर विल नॉट आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच ही हैज नेवर टॉट. आई टॉट यू 11. 22 तो इसलिए ले लिया क्योंकि आई इनिशियली टोल्ड यू कि वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 11. व्हाट द पॉइंट? यस, नाउ टेल मी.
I did not get this sum.
22 क्या होता है?
Multiple of 11.
तो क्या लिखते हैं मल्टीपल ऑफ 11?
11.
11 into 2.
So 11 into 2, हमने 140 22 को 11 into 2 लिख दिया, 141 को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, और फिर 2 से तो सब कर लेते हैं ना.
141 को डबलिंग कर दिया.
ऐसे कर लो. See, now here is an important point. हमने क्या, just now we saw 11 can be multiplied with any big number. is there any way that you multiply with any other digit in such a way? No.
No.
So always remember, I'll give you a hint. See, let's say this was 77. So which is more easy, 141 into 7 or 1551 into 7?
141 into 7.
7.
So that means first way. So what happens whenever you have 22, 33, 44, 55, 99, always first multiply by 2, 3, 5, 9. Means multiplier से पहले multiply कर दो and keep 11 till the last.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because when you'll keep 11 till the last, whatever big number is, you can do it. But if number becomes bigger and then you're doing with something, you will find it difficult. Though single digit ka I'll teach you today. So single digit multiplication is very easy. We will learn today. Which we find difficult, we'll do it today. Now this logic is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक और क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं इसका लास्ट 576 into 121 solve.
11 into 11.
11
So what is the
into
answer?
11.
Give me the verbal answer then. 576 into 11 is
6, 2,
no, wrong.
3.
6336.
Into 11.
So 6336 into 11 is 69696. Finish.
Correct.
So now think. ये कब आंसर आप फास्ट कर पाए जब आप when you were able to visualize कि 121 is nothing but 11 into 11.
Right.
So are you understanding? What I am trying to focus is open your brains, start visualizing. Visualizing means observing. The moment you'll start observing, you will find a reason behind it and will be able to apply a logic. यहाँ logic क्या लग रहा है कि 121 is 11 into 11, so that means we can answer, use the concept of 11 and things become easy. Now it is clear? Yes, Ajit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yeah.
Now, though इस वर्कशॉप में 11 को ज्यादा नहीं करूंगा because I have another two topics to teach. It is not for 11 only. You can go with 111, you can go with 4 ones, you can go with 5 ones, 6 ones. So the topic we learnt is not only limited to 11. It can be done till last. Number of ones. And this is what maths is. Maths is playing with the numbers. Vedic maths is one tool with which you can play more easily, more comfortably. Got it?
Yes.
That is, if you understand this point, कि maths is to play and Vedic maths is a tool to make that play much easier.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, second thing. So now I have cleared one thing. Left to right is also faster. Visualization plays an important role. Paper and pen was not required when you were doing 2-digit number. ठीक है, 3 में आज लग रहा है, 4 में आज लग रहा है, but slowly and steadily you'll, and brain, you might have observed that two things were going simultaneously. One, this is a number, what is coming next? One, this is a number, what is going? हमने तो ऐसे
Yes,
कभी
sir,
सोचा
yes.
ही नहीं था. We never thought this way. So that
True,
is
sir.
what I said. So 4 points, they all are based on my observations, my experience of these years. That's why I said, no, this is not available in Google. Neither it can be written. It cannot be brought to paper. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Second topic, the burden of tables. I'll reverse the process today. I'll make, generally I gave 2 concepts. So, first, general tables, all tables. Then I'll give you a game also, because when you are taking a class of students, you have to play a game first. Because believe me, no student is coming to you to learn maths. Whatever you are, students are not coming to learn maths. Their parents are pushing them hard to sit in the maths class. So you have to make that interesting so that they get associated, they get stuck to your classes. Okay, we'll start with that only. So there are two methods. First method, I'll be using writing tables of numbers ending with 9. Though to them, I don't give the topic first. We start playing the game. So ending with 9 means number is 9, number is 19, number is 29, number is 89, number is something. The only thing is that should have 9 at unit place.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Just now, what is this? अभी ना एक वीडियो देखना बच्चों वाली क्लास का, इससे पहले वो क्लास हुई थी 4 से 6, वो तो सारे शाउट करने लग गए थे,
Yeah.
आप चुप कर गए बिल्कुल.
Chinese method.
See, that is what you कभी take maths interesting. So tic-tac-toe, zero cross, zero kata.
Yes.
Everybody speaks in their own language. Not to worry. So first, draw this. Just empty magic square. I call it as a magic square. Itna bana lo.
Okay.
Use
Yeah.
paper pen.
मैं तो टेबल बनाऊंगा सर.
हाँ? क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
My daughter is watching your video and I said 9's table is there. You watch this.
Chalo. Now, second step.
Okay.
1. I'm starting from the rightmost corner. 1, 2, 3. I come this way. 4, 5, 6. Come this way. 7, 8, 9. Draw this.
Done.
Yes. Done.
Third. Now, before going to third, see, I told you we have 29 sutras and sub-sutras. And here we'll be using the first sutra of Vedic maths. And that sutra is called as Ek. I'm changing the color so that you can also break and you can see.
Ekadina. Ekadik. Yuna. Ekadik. Ek adik ena.
See why I've changed 3 colors?
Parvena.
Now this means Ek, Adhik, Ena. So the translation says one more
Addition.
than previous. Got it? Purvena means previous, ek means one, adik means more, ena means then. Correct. Now, mathematically, what do we say? So first was translation. Mathematical meaning is add
One.
1 to the previous number.
Number.
Now, here, see, everywhere the application could be different. Meaning will remain the same. I'll give you one more example later. Here, what is going to happen? I said numbers ending with 9. So it could be 19, it could be 89, it could be 29, it could be 49, it could be 109, it could be 79, it could be 1119. So
Okay.
what we are going to do, add 1 to the previous number. We will ignore this 9. Whatever is left, the previous one, add 1 to that. So this becomes 2 plus 1, 3.
Three.
This becomes 9. This becomes 2. This becomes 5. This becomes 112. This becomes 11. This becomes 8. Right? You are adding 1 to the previous number.
Yes.
Now, see, everywhere this may have different meanings. See, that's why there are less of sutras or formulas. Now, if you'll ask simple question to me, what is ekadikena of 1? So I'll say 2. Ekadikena
Yes.
of 19, it is 20. But here, in this particular table concept, we will use ekadikena on the number before 9 only. Got it? So there you need to understand. Now, let's come back.
Hmm.
So I am taking first number as table of, let's say, 19. What I have to do? Only this. What is the next number? What is the ekadikena of 1?
2.
It is 2. I can remember this or I can write separately. Up till here, any question? That's all.
No, sir.
Just add this 2 everywhere. 1 plus 2, I'll get 3. 3 plus 2, I'll get 5. Now, remember the arrow. Reverse. The way we went up, we are coming down. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 15. 17. 17 plus 2, 19. You see, we started with 19, we are getting 19. Put a 0. What is this? A table of 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 3s are 57. 4 76. 5 95. 6 114. 7 133. 8 152. 9 171. And 10 190.
Yes.
Yes, anyone who could not understand?
Yes, sir. Can you please repeat again?
Yes, sir, I didn't get it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Repeat, sir.
we'll take another number. See now. I'll start with 39. Correct. First, let me write that. Okay. So, what is the next number to 3?
4.
4. That 4 is to be added everywhere. So, earlier we were doing 19. So, 2 was added. Got it? So, what is 3 plus 4? 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 27, 31, 35, 39. Now, did you understand, Rupali? See, first thing is apply ekadikena means add 1 or the next number, whatever you say. You add 1 or you take the next number. Both the things are same. Correct. And then that number so that you can get the next number. Yes, Karishma, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Meenakshi?
Yes, sir. Now understand.
Now anyone
Yes, sir.
has
Yes.
doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Okay. If you don't have doubt, please do 29. Let's see who comes first. It should not take 10-15 seconds now.
3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 10 plus 3, 17. 19 plus 3, 20.
Done, sir.
Now, do you have any questions?
No.
Yes, sir.
Done?
29,
Done.
58, 87, 114, 145, 196, 203, 232, 261, and
196.
290.
196.
96, yes. 196 and 203, 232, 261, and 290.
196 or 76? 100 and
लो क्या कर रहे हो इतना ये लो
196.
Yes.
29
76,
8 7 6 5
76.
4 3 2 1 so 2 means 3 so 2 plus 3
Yes.
5 5 3 8 11 14 17 20 23 26 29 finish.
okay, sir. 176 actually. 145, 176, 203,
Correct.
232,
Clear
261,
now?
290.
Now it is clear. Now
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I asked you this question initially 89 table and everybody was remember or not?
9.
Yes, sir.
Now see 8 plus 9 17 26 35 44 53 62 71 80 89 कितने सेकंड लगे?
2, sir. I have seen this first time from you only.
You said you are following my books, so in the book it is given.
And not multiplication book, I think.
Which
Means
book
I
you
was
have?
doing this. All of your sir books.
Which
12
one?
books are there. I have
11 set.
taken that from Kindle. Yes.
Kindle to this, then you cannot have a hard copy, then it's very difficult. Na?
Yeah.
See, that is a difference. Hard copy means you can practice a lot.
दैट इज व्हाई सर मैंने मतलब स्टूडेंट्स को वैदिक तो पढ़ाया लाइक इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स को बिकॉज एप्टीट्यूड तो हर जगह होती है कंपनीज में लेकिन मैं उनको डाइवर्ट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज माय कैलकुलेशन इज नॉट मच फास्टर एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट योर ट्रेनिंग स्पेसिफिकली
See, point पता क्या आता है? We always think knowledge, we don't invest in knowledge. ये एक point
यस
है.
सर ट्रू सर ट्रू सर
Correct. Okay. So now it is clear. So do
Yes.
yourself 99, the most easiest one.
18.
So now you'll be taking 10. Got it? 9 plus 1 is 10. We are just ignoring the first.
गॉट सर 9 19 29 59 just multiple thing.
Yes, everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more I'll show. If it is 3-digit, nothing will change. 109. So 10 means 11. So 21. 21 plus 11, 32.
32.
43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, 109. See, what will
Yes, sir.
improve in this? Your addition will also improve because we are not able to do addition. बच्चों का जब आप प्रैक्टिस कराओगे तो you'll see multiplication तो बहुत दूर की बात है, addition ही नहीं आती. They start finding on fingers or they take time. So there are techniques in Vedic maths where you can do very easily. Till here it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
एक और कर लो. 199. I'm giving you simple so that the things become easier to you.
20. 59.
But the concept should be clear, right?
Yes, sir. It is clear. Sir, where do I get hard copies of your books, sir? Can you please
अभी
send us
व्हाट्सएप
link?
कर दो. मेरा नंबर
Yes, sir.
आपके
Please,
पास है,
sir.
व्हाट्सएप कर दो, सुबह कुरियर हो जाएगा.
जी sir. I
कर लेंगे.
need that. Yes.
You are from which place?
Solapur, Maharashtra.
Okay. ठीक है, चलिए. Any doubt? Now,
No, sir.
No,
now
sir.
I'll give you the easiest way. उसके साथ एक story है. You'll say I give more examples, but it is required. So I taught this method to one of the students of 6th class in यूनाइटेड स्कॉटलैंड. आधे
Oh.
घंटे में उसके फादर का फोन आ गया कि व्हाट हैव यू टॉट, ही इज अब्यूजिंग द टीचर्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज सच अ सिंपल थिंग, you never thought about it. And I told you place values, we'll be using that only. Now second question, ये थोड़ी देर के लिए आप 89 तक के टेबल भूल जाए. तो up till which number you can write easily? Rupali, Meenakshi?
16.
16. Good. Yes, we'll do every number, so don't worry. Even if it is 12, I don't mind. चलो छोड़ दो. सबको ऐसा लग रहा है. अच्छा, 1 का टेबल किस किस को आता है?
सबका आता है.
चलो 1 का सुना दो.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
बस यही तो करना है, यही मजे तो लेने हैं लाइफ के. खत्म. ओके. तो हम टेबल्स हाउ डू वी डू? We cram we either do by multiplication. 12 into 2, 24.
जी.
12 into 3, 36. Okay. But what if I say 82? So you'll get confused because
Yeah.
calculations become bigger. So this is the first approach we do, multiplication. Second, अगर बहुत अच्छा कोई टीचर आ जाए, वो कह देता है, you remember multiplication is repetitive addition, so use that. So आप 12 plus 12 करते हैं 24, फिर 24 plus 12 करते हैं 36. ये भी ठीक है, बट बड़ा नंबर दे दिया मैंने 786, तो आपके कैरी ओवर्स इतने बढ़ते रहेंगे कि you'll land up into a trouble. Now, what we are going to learn is the most simplest thing, which is not available in any book, but now it would be available in book of Haryana board because I have given that in there. But
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा अफसोस हुआ कि 4th स्टैंडर्ड में दी है, क्योंकि उससे पहली बुक कभी नहीं बन रही थी. As per national education policy also, we have to do it from Hmm. So अब 2 का टेबल करते हैं. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. Just assume this is your unit place, this is your tens. We can assume, correct?
Yeah.
So bring them together.
12, 24, 36.
So first 4 answers आ गए. कुछ किया आपने? Neither you added, neither you multiplied. You got 4 answers also.
Yes.
Don't take it as 12. Think if it was 82, then also you could have got first 4 answers or first some. Now, can we have 2 digits at unit place?
No.
That is what we learnt in place values. So 0. Extra, what we were doing?
60.
Shifting. Well,
Yeah.
first
70,
example,
72.
37 into 11, we so 60. 2 as it is 7, 4 as it is 8, 6 as it is 9, 8 as it is 10, 2, 0 as it is 12. So what is easy? Adding 12 every time or adding 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1.
Yes.
Obviously, the next one, sir.
This one.
Yeah.
But this is not there in our books because we have not used place values. We are not using the application of place value. So think कितना important concept है वो. और हम उसके क्या questions आते हैं? What is the face value of 77 in 78? What is the face value of 8 in 85? What is this? Because we are cramming the things. We are not making it to apply to further calculations. ये लीजिए, आप कोई भी नंबर अप कर लीजिए. 80
99.
लेते हैं वो भी. 78, 14,
Yes.
16, 21, 24, 28, 32, 35, 40 लीजिए. 78 हो गया. 6, 15, 4, 23, 2, 31, 0, 39.
Yes.
So when you know tables up till 9, why was we cramming everything? Why were we taught different ways? Why not use the place values directly? वो भी तो किया था हमने टॉपिक. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब एक चीज और, इसी से आप वो जो 9 वाले किए थे वो भी कर सकते हैं. 89 जैसे हमने किया था, कोई फर्क
जी.
नहीं है. Same can be done. So this is a general technique to do any table. Let it be 3 digit. ये लीजिए 123, यहाँ पे 246, 369, 2, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, and 4 remains
Yes.
as it is. Here 5 as it is. Now this becomes 11. So 1
Yes.
only and 6.
Okay, sir.
आप यहाँ पे ऐसे भी लगा सकते हो तो आपको कभी गलती नहीं होगी.
जी.
Any doubt now?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir, no.
Just practice one question because I have to tell you something more. 876 का करिए. Levels तक ही, so that it becomes complete.
तुझे होंगे संपर्क सर.
Yes, Ajit, this was done.
Yes, sir. Up to three places. My wife was asking for dinner, so that's
See, देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रहा है, वही बात है, आधी नॉलेज लोगे तो बच्चा कहीं ना कहीं फंसा देगा. You need to have thorough concepts.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done. Done.
Yes.
Now see, we'll be using this for multiplication also. For example, let's say the question is 89 into 8. Now how do we do? 8 nines are 72. 2. 7 here. 64 plus 7, 71. This is how we do. Anyone has a different method?
Directly 9 8 just 72, 8 8 just 64.
Then?
Sir.
I add unit place that one.
Got it. So that is what.
18 into 8. 9 into
Now,
8.
now what we do is, and again start thinking from left side. Why 64, 72? We cannot have 2 digits. So 712. One thing is you'll never get answers wrong. You'll be able to cross check here only. See. And second thing, just try to close your eyes. Think 89 into 8. So first is 8 into 8, 64. 8 nines are 72. Can we have 72? No. So 712. So when you call it as dodging of the tables, that has to be done from left side, then only you'll be able to do. Otherwise, you can only cram up till certain numbers. 12, 13, 75 into 5. So 35, 25. So 3, 7, 5. Yes, Rupali, I hope you got the concept or not.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
dodging.
Yes, sir, I got the concept.
Correct. So think from this side. That's all. Left side. Whenever you'll start thinking from the 8, 9, 2. Now this may be, for today, it may be difficult for you. 64, 72, 16. Mentally, you cannot think 3 numbers together. No issues. Later you can do. So 71, 3, 6. Got it. Wait, balancing line. Use that only. I'm nothing doing different. But at least
Yes, sir.
2 digits should be very clear. Got it.
I think this method is named as Urdu Triagam method, something like that.
No, no, no.
Hmm.
This is not, this is, I'm doing it with just place value. This is not a sutra. This is, if you can understand, this is, we are using table only.
Oh,
That Urdhva Triyag Bhyam Sutra we are not using. That is called as crisscross multiplication. We have not used crisscross.
okay.
Urdhva Triyag means cross. Bhoyam. It is just, see, there are certain things written and certain you will understand automatically, which are not pointed out in Vedic maths. But when you'll start doing now, you'll understand certain things automatically.
Okay.
Right. So what here we are doing, please understand that 89 8 that means you are writing a table of 89. What will come at the 8th step? 64 72. Think this way.
Mm.
Correct. So that's the way to do. See, the burden of tables. Morning also I took, evening I took kids class. Tables done. So how to bring a difference when kids are walking in your class? Ask them up till which number they are doing, and when they are walking out, just discuss. Everybody will be happy that at least 999 they have done, or 99 at least they have done in one single day. Now, just think about this parallel lines. Was it difficult? This method, is it really difficult?
No.
So why we are not teaching this? What mobile? What is the reason we are not teaching easy concepts? Why do we want to confuse our kids? And it's not, I'm giving you a trick. Very first thing, you should not say trick. Whatever I'll give a methodology behind it. So I started with place values. I gave you 11 also with place values, this also with place values. Addition also can be done with place values. Subtraction can also be done with place value. Everything can be done. Clear?
Yes.
Anyone has any question?
Yes.
Sir, question is not regarding today's class. I just want to ask you, in 2 days, we are not going to cover all the topic. Is there any long batch for your entire
Yeah.
Vedic
So,
maths?
how did you fill the form?
Sorry?
How did you fill the form? Where did you
I
find the
didn't
form?
I didn't fill the form actually. At last moment, I just
Okay. So there
paid
is
the
a link.
amount and you shared the link.
There is a link on the website where all
Means
programs are
that
mentioned.
Zoom link. Okay.
No, Zoom, not Zoom link. See, my website is there, dryogeshshana.in/programs.
No. I understood.
So वहां पर वो programs mentioned है, whatever you can do. There is a 3 months training program. See, if you
3
want
months
to become a
online.
trainer, if you want to become a trainer, then there is a 3 months program. And I assure you within third day, see, whatever we'll be covering in 2 days, after that you can start teaching class third. You can teach third. And the last example, the last batch I took, that was started on 15th of October. And by 14th November, we signed an agreement with Government School of Belgaum. And both the two students, teachers, they are taking care of that school. And the best part is we gave them Kannada medium books. So because I'm translating my books in 53 languages to create a Guinness World Record. So
All
see,
the best, sir.
it is always you all can do it. The only thing missing is you don't know the steps. Because see, I'm not saying okay. Problem
We
is
get your means whatever you want to say, because before 2 years I purchased this book, Vedic Mathematics.
I'll give you the
But
answer. I'll tell you.
I want means someone who will push me, and then only I will do it.
No,
Otherwise, I'm not.
I'll tell you what is happening. I'm not an old guy, but today I'm the most read writer in the world on this topic. Why? Because when I wanted to study, when I thought of thinking, the books were going from here.
Yes, sir. True, sir.
All the books, they start with the first concepts, multiplication, this, that. Whereas I start with the topic, how to be correct every time. Tomorrow I'll take that because today there were 5 things to be explained. Otherwise, that should be the first topic, which we'll do tomorrow. See, if you remember, whenever you were in school or your kids are, every math exam you were given a rough sheet. Why?
For calculation.
What calculation?
Rough calculation.
What rough calculation? You were asked,
Mathematic calculation.
no, you were asked to check and verify your answers before you submit. Correct? The
Yeah,
words were
yeah.
this. Every teacher says, check your answers, verify your answer before submitting. My simple question is, have we ever been taught how to check the answers? 26 plus 24 is 50. Can anyone check this answer?
Yes, sir. From your
So
book,
we can
digits some method is
subtract
there.
any number from the answers and
Rupali,
give the
Rupali, what do you learn first, addition or subtraction?
addition.
So that means when a child has learnt addition, you will wait for another year to learn subtraction first, then you'll appear for that check. Please
Digits some
understand.
method is this.
I'm not saying as per your age. The question I put was of a lower class. I could have asked you a
Yes, sir.
question on square root, cube root then. So this is the point.
Yes, sir.
Only in 6th standard book of division there is written dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Huh.
Otherwise, no, nothing about addition, nothing about multiplication, nothing about subtraction, nothing about anything. Right? Now, what is happening? Because you ask the teacher tomorrow, any math teacher, they don't know. And it's not their fault because there is no technique in maths to check your answers. And the first topic we deal is digit sum. Tomorrow we'll do. And so my student, don't ask me. See what happens, your child is standing by. Even if he is correct, no, let him. Even if he is correct, he'll always ask, Mama, check, is it correct? Is this a answer? Every time he asks, same he'll ask the teacher, same he will cross verify with the answer key, same he will cross verify with the calculator. But what happens? These all 4 things are missing in the exam and they lose confidence. Otherwise, maths is the most easiest subject because if you are doing the right way, you cannot be wrong. You can never be wrong. But since we get confused, so like the question was 26 plus 24, you might have written correct in fair 50, but rough में 51 कर दिया because the teacher said check your answer and students start redoing because they have been taught this way only कि दोबारा करके देखना, redo. चेक करना नहीं सिखाया, रीडू करने को कहा. तो पहले फेयर में 50 आया आंसर, रफ में 51 कर दिया तो भी बच्चा कंफ्यूज्ड. या उल्टा हो गया 51-50 या 50-50 या 51-51. So what happens? You have only probability of 25%. But Vedic maths will teach you that. So my student, I teach my students first day itself. Don't ask me. Now see, this is what you need to understand. Don't ask me, is this a answer? You don't have to ask. Say, this is answer. So when we give them the power to check their answers themselves, they'll not ask you this because the first line is a question mark and second line is the confidence you gain. So you need to develop that confidence in the child. It is correct. So for complete 3 months during my course, no student ask me this thing. They'll say, this is the answer and it is correct. So that brings a difference. Got it. So जो वो book की बात कर रहे हैं, I was in Hyderabad 5 days before, 19 to 29 was book fair. You won't believe Hyderabad is a land of Vedic mathematicians. And I said humbly, I said, yes, I am 25 years back from you people. But they also realize, and I know the fact, what they have written, that is for scholars. Do we have to teach the scholars or do we have to teach to the kids? This understanding This is what is lacking in Vedic math books. So when I was writing the book, I thought I'm a class 1 student. Now write. Let it be teacher's book, let it be student's book. And that's the reason I gained. See, when you have to come down to that level of student, then only you can be a good teacher. If you'll say I am a teacher, they will not understand.
Yes, sir.
Right?
True.
That you need to understand. Any other question?
No, sir.
Anyone from Orissa? Assam? No. No.
सर आपके बुक 4 लेवल है ना स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, वो
चार
एक बुक कितने महीने के लिए?
मैम
कितने
4 लेवल
महीने?
नहीं चार
हाँ।
ये 4 लेवल नहीं कहेंगे। पहली 2 बुक्स हैं, 3rd क्लास, 4th क्लास, 5th क्लास, क्योंकि वो स्कूल्स में
अच्छा।
इम्प्लीमेंट हैं, लेवल नहीं होते मैम।
अच्छा,
तो
ओके।
3rd 4th
उनको
5th में
कितने महीने में सिखाना है
मैं
ऐसा?
मैं तो 8वीं तक 3 महीने में सिखा देता हूँ। और 5th देखो वो
अच्छा।
डिपेंड क्या, देखो वो आप मुझे कॉल कर लेना, इसके बाद मेरी क्लास नहीं है, जस्ट गिव मी 10 minutes.
अच्छा अच्छा,
I'll
ओके
explain you. I'll
ओके
explain you on time. Right? Any other questions? Because let's not put for everyone these things. जिसको
Yes,
yes,
sir. सबको चाहिए. We
नहीं
can
सबको
make that,
चाहिए.
sir.
See, because this is the first time we are discussing. I never promote. See, workshop means up till that topic. उसके बाद हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. But okay, let me, because workshop कभी तो
Yes, sir. Yes, I
see,
understand.
I'll tell you. What are first 6 books I have written, that is for teachers, the teachers who want to become trainer. If you'll see the books, you will understand everything. But the hidden things, like I asked you a question, why speed increases. Now this cannot be explained on paper, right? So there are 6 books which are written as step 1, step 2 to step 6.
Hmm.
Right. Then
For teachers.
yeah, it is meant for teachers, housewives, or whosoever want to become a trainer. So डेप्थ में लिखा है. उसके बाद 4 books are for students. Book 1 and book 2, it is meant for class 3rd, 4th, 5th. So 5th तक का syllabus is covered in that. Now somebody asked how much time you'll take. Suppose you have to teach a class 3rd student, so you have to teach them these 2 books, and that will take 3 months. Alternate day की बात कर रहा हूं. When I say it is alternative day, means 3 hours a week. अब ये 2 बुक्स हो गई. इसके बाद बुक 3 और बुक 4 है, दैट इज फॉर 6th 7th 8th. But the point is, if some child is coming to you of 6th 7th 8th, you have to teach them 4 books, not to only 3 4 book. You have to teach them first and second also, no, because उसके topics तो base हैं. So that will also take only 3 months, 4 books, because the adapting power of 6th 7th 8th student is much more than 3rd 4th student. Got it? So total 3 months is you cover the syllabus. If a child is of 3rd 4th or 5th, first 2 books are sufficient, and that takes 3 months. If a child is 6th 7th 8th, then 4 books have to be completed, and that also takes 3 months. Got it? But schools may, when we tie up with the schools, there we have less classes. We have, because they have to be taught throughout the year. So they give 40 minutes a class, and we are teaching. We take 1 year to teach 1 book, because that is class wise. Correct? Anything else? Yeah, just whoever reads book, you can just send me a WhatsApp. I'll share you the link of how to
Yes,
purchase
sir.
on online also, or you can send, or I'll share you the scanner, and it would be dispatched. Right? Anything else?
Or we can use the Razor Pay link you send me.
Yes.
Uh,
मैं तो ऑनलाइन रेजर पे के थ्रू ही होता है सर, वो रेजर पे के थ्रू हो जाएगा डेफिनेटली. Any other questions, sir?
And the 11th book is for competitive, right?
Yeah, sorry. 11th
Yes,
is for competitive exams.
Competitive 11th book.
So that book I got both Indian award also, Nepal Authors Award, because that covers examinations of banking and railways and UPSC. So in India also that is very matlab, useful, and in Nepal all banking exams it covers. So that was the reason on 2nd of November I got Nepal Authors Award for that. So and second
Congrats.
Nepal, so I work more in Nepal. So if comparative study is done, so I work more in Nepal because every week I give lectures over there.
I'm asking about the long classes, the 3 month
3 months.
courses.
So three
Yes.
months. 3 months is the teachers training program.
Hmm.
That is 18,000.
Hmm.
That is 9 to 11 p.m. is the classes. Either Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is the batch, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday is the batch. So now, right,
3 day week. 3 day
three
in a
days,
week.
yes, 3 days
3
week,
day.
9 to 11
2 hours.
p.m. No other class, 9 to 11. In 18,000, you get books free. So that if you have purchased earlier, so that money will be deducted.
Books means the 11 books.
6 books. Teachers.
Huh?
Teachers one.
6 books. Okay.
The teachers one.
So if we miss any class, so is
All
there any
videos.
recording?
Just
Okay,
now,
okay.
see, videos are given and that is lifelong. That's not. Second thing. Now, today you paid for workshop 249, correct? 23rd January, again, there is a workshop. And content, see, topics are nearly same, but the way we talk, that is different. In last batch, they were not ready to open their videos. There were 12 teachers, but everybody was stumped. So what happened? 2 hours finish, or the topics are limited. You cannot. I told you initially only. I'm not a politician. I'll speak and you'll just listen and go. See, more you will be discussing, more you will be learning. So once you register for workshop means any number of years you can join that workshop again.
Okay.
Similarly, if you do classes today, suppose tomorrow fees also increases, you never have to pay for the classes again. So that is one point which we do, right?
Okay. Up to means how many
जब तक
years?
जिंदा हूं.
What is the time? Acha, okay, great.
और YouTube जब तक है तब तक वीडियोस
certification is
पड़े हैं.
there.
वीडियोस पड़े हैं.
Certification is there.
हाँ?
Certification is there if we complete 3
Certificate.
months.
Means during these 3
No.
months.
That is very important. Certification of the workshop is you are attending, you get it. But certification of the course is you have to give exam.
Okay.
Exam is not written. Exam is verbal, like we are discussing now.
Okay.
55 to
Yes,
60
good.
minutes, it would be recorded. It would be sent to US IAO because mine is internationally also certified. And second thing, it is a trainer course. So what do you mean by a trainer? One who can speak. So if you are hiding yourself behind the camera and you say, give me the certificate, sorry, very clear in the beginning itself, you take 3 years, 5 years to learn, to grasp, and then appear for the exam, you may. But certificate will be only issued if you appear for the test. You may take time. See, sometimes what happens, one day you are appearing, then you stuck. Okay, next day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. But I want a correct recording of 55 to 60 minutes.
Okay.
Oh,
Without, because this is a trainer.
exam cost is included in this.
सब कुछ जितने बार मर्जी एग्जाम्स, there is nothing more to be given.
Okay.
Because I don't give certificates to any other person. There are people in India who will give you certificate of trainer in 7 days. I will not, because मेरा system थोड़ा सा अलग है. I give you credibility. Why I asked you just now, Odisha or something? Because all my ex-students, they are now co-authors.
Oh.
Got my point? So the person I was talking about who is taking Kannada classes, means Kannada medium, Vedic maths, she's a German trainer. So she supported me in German translation. So now today she is a German Vedic maths teacher, and that book represented India in Frankfurt. Right. My books, if I have records right now, I give. So books were, now see, these are the magazines. Moscow, my books went. Sharjah, these are the magazines we got from Government of India, NBT department. Then this is Bologna festival, Italy. Then Abu Dhabi. So Abu Dhabi, I am going also this time. So that is, my books are already internationally acclaimed, and they are representing India in number of countries.
महाराष्ट्र, in Maharashtra.
मराठी बुक है भाई, महाराष्ट्र में अभी तो था, पुणे में, पुणे नागपुर दोनों थे फेस्टिवल्स.
Yes, sir. I met you at Ahmedabad.
अच्छा, सॉरी, याद हो जाता है.
It's okay.
चलिए ठीक है.
So,
क्या
yes,
कंक्लूड,
yes.
अभी सोए? नहीं, सोना नहीं, मतलब
Yes,
you
sir.
have
We'll
your
meet you tomorrow.
हाँ, अभी तो कल
We'll
क्लास
con-
लेनी है.
हाँ, yes.
अभी होमवर्क भेज रहा हूँ. आई एम सेंडिंग द, अच्छा हाँ, यू हैव टू डू द होमवर्क. 11 की आई विल गिव यू शीट आल्सो, उसी में एक्सरसाइजेस हैं और टेबल्स के छोटे ही क्वेश्चंस हैं. You have to submit in the group
Okay.
itself,
Okay.
and tomorrow same time, right?
Okay, sir.
Chalo,
Thank you, sir.
all the best. Okay.
Sir, send us link of your books, sir.
Send me hi on that. Okay, you send me hi, I'll send you. Okay, I'll put
Okay,
it in the
okay.
group. I'll put it in the group.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. Bye.